Hey everyone, Kevin here. What I'd like to do in this video is share with you a cryptocurrency exchange I really like. It's called Nanex. Now, I'm sure some of you guys have used this already. It's fairly new as far as exchanges go, but it's made quite a good impression so far. And the interesting thing about this is that Nano is the main trading pair. So, you know, you buy a coin, you buy it with Nano, you sell it, you get Nano, and then you trade it for another coin. Actually works really well. It's very, very quick. Now, I've never had to contact support for any kind of problems, but what I will say is the deposits and withdrawals are very, very quick. I've deposited Bitcoin private and Raven and withdrew as well. Confirmations go through very quick. It just seems very, very quick. So I've never actually had to use support. But I did reach out to the founder. I believe he's the founder, Jay. He's active on our Discord group and he's always, you know, responding to people and talking to them and all that. So seems quite a transparent, back and forth between the actual team and users. So it seems quite good in that regard. He did mention that they're going to overhaul the actual exchange over the next few weeks as far as a design point of view. So what I'm showing you today, this kind of design, in a month's time, it might be a little bit different. But I didn't want to hold back on my video. I wanted to share with you what this exchange is all about, and I wanted to show you some examples of how it all works. So Nano is, it's trading at $9.17. This wasn't a coin that was really on my radar before, if I'm perfectly honest. I'd seen people talking about it, but, you know, wasn't a coin that I followed. But my main interaction with Nano is on Nanex. It's, you know, it is the main trading pair. And by that, I mean, if you deposit Bitcoin, you exchange it for Nano. If you deposit Litecoin, you exchange it for Nano. Once you've got Nano, you can buy any of these coins. Bitcoin Private, Ethereum, Raven, Linda, Gallic coin and all that. So what I'll maybe do is I'll move my webcam out of the way. In fact, I just want to show you something quickly. See that you can maybe see down here my balance. I've got Nano balance 2.138. It was $19.59. Now, I actually did this video before I started this video, and I did a trade to show you what the trade was like. I showed you a sell, but then someone phoned me and I'd left my phone on, so I had to start recording again. But if you look down here, this is my orders with Raven, and you can see that I sold, I sold a lot last week, 16,000, but you can see here, I sold Raven 371. So I sold it 371 Raven, which was, what's that, 15 minutes ago, and I sold it 577. So that was the last price that I sold at. So I sold there. Some people have bought a higher price. But the reason I did that was to show you how this works. So I'll kind of move this around here just now. Just a heads up, I've noticed something today. I don't know, I've never seen this happening, but when I put in a sell order and buy order and all that, I had to refresh the page for the information to come up. Now, this has never happened to me when I've used this before, so I don't know if it was a temporary issue. I don't know if it's a browser issue. I don't know, but you know, I'll maybe have to refresh the page sometimes after placing an order. So you can see I've got 2.138 Nano. Now that I have Nano, I've sold my Raven, so I'm not looking to buy any more Raven right now. But the interesting thing, just to kind of show you the overview here, you can see here charts by trading view, and this isn't something that I use personally, but you've got all the brushes, the text, you know, and you've got all these different options, to, candles to change the way that everything is displayed. I tend to just use the default one, if I'm honest, guys. I'm not really into, you know, drawing graphs and all these kind of things, you know, doing all this kind of stuff. It's not something I do. I realize it's there for a purpose for some people. And you see a lot of information at the top here as well. Last traded price, 24-hour change. Every exchange tends to show you the information in a little bit of a different way, so you do have to become accustomed to how it works, but it's fairly easy here. You can see the sell orders here, the buy orders down here, and the difference between them is the spread. And then you've got all the actual sells and buys there, what's went through. Now, this is different from a lot of different exchanges as far as, you know, you don't have scaling orders and all these different options. You basically just put in your order, so it's, you can, you know, if you had to click in this, you could obviously just do like a market order, but essentially it's limit orders that you're doing here. Now, I imagine they'll maybe add some more options for buying and selling in the future, but right now this is how it works, and in many ways it's quite good that it works that way, because you can see exactly what people are putting in as far as buy and sell orders. There's not like good until, or you know, good until this reaches a certain level and all that, which I know will maybe frustrate some traders. So if we go to the top here, we've got Ravencoin, in fact, yeah, so we get Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Private and all that. Now I've got Nano. Now if I click on Bitcoin Private, you can see I had sent some of my coins there. I've got 35 there. But what I actually do need is, I would like to get some Ethereum in my wallet. So I wouldn't mind buying some Ethereum, at least $10, because I've got some Ethereum tokens that I was thinking about maybe selling at some point. So it'd be good to have some Ethereum in my wallet. So I wouldn't mind maybe trading about 1 nano. So I wouldn't mind buying about 1 nano's worth, like $9-10 worth of Ethereum at the very least. So what have we got here? Right, so the buy orders are here and the sell orders are here. So the lowest someone's selling for is 86.499, and people are trying to buy 82. So there's a little bit of a difference here between you know, what's being bought and what's being sold. And you can see the last one that was through was 87. Now obviously if I was doing this for myself and I wasn't in a rush, I would just put in the order and I would just, you know, buy at whatever price. Sorry, buy at the price that I want and then just wait, you know, because I'll wait to get the price that I want, depending on which way the market's going and all that. But what I'm trying to say is, for the purpose of this video, because I want to show you guys how it all works, I'm just going to go through and just pick a sell order so that I can buy the coins that I want. So what I'll maybe do is, right, so you can see this price here. What I'm going to do, if I do that, right, so that's put in like that, but essentially Ethereum price 87.9, right, so there's a sell order here at 86, so 86.4, 1 2 3 4. Really what I want to be doing is, I don't need as much as that. Oh god, this is a buy order. And I was wondering what was going on there. Right, that's why that wasn't working right. Right, so it's a oh, it is a buy order one. What am I talking about? It is a buy order. So I'm getting mixed up here. So it's a buy order. Right, so essentially what do I want here? I'd want about $9 worth. I want about right, so that was right before and I'm just messing up. So I'm going to put it through at that price. So 0.0243, but what I maybe do is just 0.01 maybe. And I'll put it at 86.49999. So I'm not buying a lot of Ethereum. I'm buying about $8.90. It's not a huge amount, but it's just to show you how this works. We put in the buy order, confirm the buy order. Now, as far as Google Authenticator goes, as far as security goes, if you've logged in recently, then you wouldn't have to put this in. There you go, that was quick. Order placed and fully completed. You should be able to see that. The order has been completed. Now, know what I was talking about earlier on when I was saying that it wasn't showing you. Now, normally, it kind of refreshes quite quickly. But you can see that there. Is that my order there? No, it's not. I'm going to refresh the page just to make sure that's went through okay. Fills. Right, so it's been through. And you can see I've got an Ethereum balance $7.69 and I've got a Nano balance of $11.69, so 61, sorry. So I've got Ethereum there now and I can send that should be enough. I'm going to send that to my wallet and I can use that for gas, for, you know, buying and selling tokens. I've still got $11.61, so what I'm going to do is maybe buy some more Bitcoin Private. And the last sales have been through at 4.15. Seems fairly consistent there. So you can see the buy orders there at 4.15. I could, of course, undercut some of those people. And I'll maybe go, let me see. Again, this I wouldn't normally do this. I'm just trying to do it in video so I can show you guys. You know, I'll maybe just go as high as 4.2. Let's put the price up. So I'm going to put in a buy order. And I won't have to put an authenticator again because I've just, you know, added it. So I don't know what the time is as far as authenticator goes, but it's not annoying. You know, if you've not logged in for a while, you've not added your authenticator for a while as far as logging in, it will ask you again, which is good. But it's not like every single time. It doesn't get annoying. So I'm going to refresh the page. As I said, I don't know what's going on here as far as that goes. I don't know why that's happening. Now, you can see here my buy order is now sitting here. Now, if someone wants to sell at that price, someone comes on and wants to sell at that price, it would go up and it would be a green 4.2 at the top. That's what I'd be looking for. Now, again, I'm not want to wait hours to show you that, so I was hoping that would maybe go through quite quickly, but if it doesn't, what I'm going to do right now is maybe cancel this. Now, there's other things you can do. Obviously, like I've got some Bitcoin balance, Bitcoin private balance here as well, so I could set markers and I could sell at a small amount to buy back in, and all these other things I can do to try and manipulate the price. You know, just like any other exchange. You know, I've got some balance here where I could try and, you know, push the price down or push the price, whatever. If depending on whether I'm buying or selling. But what I'll maybe do then, I just want to push this through for you guys. So I'm going to cancel that order. I'll refresh the page and you'll see the balance go back to Nano. There it's there. So the sell orders were at 4.2289. In fact, I'll do that. 4.22899. I'm paying through the nose, guys. I'm paying through the nose, but this is for you guys. I'm going to push the price up for Bitcoin private. I'm doing it for you guys. I'm going to push the buy order. And my Nano is gone. Order completed. It normally goes down there right away. I don't know if it's because I'm using Firefox instead of Chrome. Normally when I use Chrome, this doesn't happen, but I don't know if this is a Firefox issue or if it's an issue with Nanex itself. But you can see, yeah, there's my order. I've made it green, guys. I've made it green. Thank me. Thank me. So you can see it there. So I've now got a little bit more, just slightly more Bitcoin private. And I've got no more Nano left. So it just shows you, I've sold some Raven, I've bought some Ethereum, I've bought some Bitcoin private. It works really, really well. Now, as I said, I don't know with the issue with me having to refresh that there. I don't know if that is an issue with Firefox or if it's an issue with the exchange. I don't know. I really don't know. But what I will say is that when using this in Chrome, I don't get that issue. It refreshes automatically and all that. I use Firefox mainly when I'm showing you guys videos, just so it's a different browser and I can do different things in the background with Chrome. So yeah, I don't know why it doesn't refresh. It could just be an issue with Firefox. I don't know. But yeah, this has been a look at Nanex, the world's leading trading, what do they call it here? The world's leading nano exchange, the premier trading platform for nano. A lot of people might not like this exchange simply because it's based on Nano and Nano is the main trading pair. But I really like it. I really like it. It's very, very quick. You get your Nano in your account and then you buy the other coin that you want. And then when you're ready, you just go to your wallet and you can just withdraw. You can see Nano there. I can go to Bitcoin or whatever. And I can just withdraw the money that I want and send it straight to my wallet. Works very, very quickly. And what more do you want from an exchange? You want an exchange that's very quick for sales, for buys and sales, and yeah, pretty good. Volume's pretty decent as well. There's no problems with volume. Like every one of their coins, there's a lot of people trading, so you won't struggle to sell your coins. That's not an issue. You're not gonna have to worry about that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to see what they do with their overhaul in the future, to see how they change this system, to see how they improve it. It might be a completely different system the next time I look at this in a month's time. If I do a video about this in a month or two, it could be a completely different system. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys what this platform is all about, what this exchange is all about. I like what these guys are doing, and I also like the fact that they've brought in a lot of coins like Raven coin and Bitcoin private, Gallic coins that aren't really been listed on a lot of other exchanges at the time anyway. So yeah, very supportive of them, of what they're doing. I'm very happy with the way it works. And the thing is, exchanges, I have did a few videos where I've complained about exchanges. Trade Satoshi, every time I use it, it sucks. Cryptopia sucks. All these other exchanges suck. Nanex doesn't suck. It's actually quite a good exchange. And, when you come across an exchange, it's good. It's always good to share with other people and let them know about it. So, I'd love to hear from you guys. If you've used Nanex before, please let me know below what you think about it. If you haven't, please do give it a try. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Take care.